Hi dear students, the dear chess lovers. Myself Ajit, chess trainer. I want to introduce myself. I was a former chess champion from College of Engineering Karad and three times zonal chess champion from Shivaji University Kolhapur. I like to play chess puzzles very much and on the famous site of chess.com. Presently I have the rating of 2100 plus. I am chess educator with all online tools. So, my dear students, we want to study one short lesson today, and that is at the beginner level. When you want to learn chess, check is very important thing in the chess. The check is a direct attack on the king. That is called a check. So today we want to study how the check is barred, how the check is removed. And for that purpose, I will bring here some typical cases, that is the positions on the chessboard. So in this particular position, we can see that this is the queen of white is attacking the black king shown by the red squares and the arrow. So this is the direct attack by queen on the king. Now, students, whenever the king is directly attacked, when the king is directly tried to be captured in the very next move, this thing is called as a check. And first priority, the first responsibility of that fella is to remove that check by any means. So let us see what are the various means, because king is very important and the king is in danger. So this danger to the king must be stopped by any means. What are these means? What are these ways? Let us study. The very first thing we have studied is how the check is removed is by capture the attacking piece. So if the attacking piece in this particular case is the queen, so whether this queen, I am showing this queen can be captured by any means. That is our motto. Now we can see that this black knight can capture this queen like this. So black knight can go 1, 2 and L-shaped third one and capture the queen and thus remove this check. This is possible. So now the check is removed by the knight. So dear students, kids, we have studied one way. First, try to capture the attacking piece. Is there any other way? Yes. The second line is that we can block the check, means in the path of that attacking piece, can we put anything in between that path? Surely. Now consider this case of a bishop. This bishop can move diagonally and come here like this. Between the queen and the king, there is now bishop. So this check is blocked. Is there any other way to block this check? Yes, surely. Another move I can suggest you is that we can move this pawn by one house ahead, by one square only ahead. So the black pawn is now blocking this check from the queen. So the danger to the king is now blocked by a simple soldier, which is pawn. So we have seen the two methods. One is capture the attacking piece. Second was block the check by your own piece. Is there any other method? Yes. The third and the only last method is that move the king. We know all boys and girls that the king can be moved by only one place, only one neighboring place. But see here, it must be the non-check position. Means on that position there should not be any attack on the king itself. Now let us see in this check given by the white queen to the black king whether the king can be moved. So where the king can be moved by various places, various positions of the king. One thing is we can here know at this position again it is already under check by this white queen. So this place is not suitable for this king. The second chance, so I block this place by the blue color. So here this position is not possible. So we already know that king cannot come here in this position because it is already attacked by the queen. This king cannot come to this position also because what is the reason? Because you see this white knight and this white knight is attacking this king by 1, 2 and third. So this place is also under attack by this white knight. So obviously the king is unable to move here because this is the position of check by the white knight. It cannot move here because it is the check position by the white queen. So what are the resources? What are the grounds for the king to run? Now this king can move here. Yes, surely, because this is the non-check position. This king can move here also. This is also the non-check position. And also we know that king can move diagonally by one square. So the king can move here also to these non-check positions. I will mark these non-check positions by the green color so that you will understand where the king can be moved. So these three squares shown by the green light. So okay, it is the green light for the king to move, and this king can move at whatever is the better position. So these are the rules how the check is removed or the check is barred. So this was today's lesson. It was a demo lesson. The three things you must remember: capture the attacking piece, block the check by your own piece, or move the king to the non-check position. That's all. Very simple. Do you enjoy this class with Ajit sir? Definitely, surely. Thank you.